Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Djibouti. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Djibouti, a country in East Africa located on the Horn of Africa, is primarily driven by mining, fishing, exports, commerce, trade and tourism. For traders to find a reliable and regulated Forex broker in Djibouti and worldwide can sometimes be an overwhelming task, as most Forex brokers are not regulated or authorized to operate within this country. One of the best ways for traders to start trading in stocks, Forex, options, cryptocurrencies, and indices is to choose from one of many globally regulated Forex brokers that provide their services to traders based in Djibouti. So, in this video, we will be going through some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Djibouti. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker, which was founded in 2006, is regulated by the Central Bank of Ireland, the ASIC, FSA, FSB, and the BVI. Over 200,000 traders choose Avatrade for their preferred financial broker. Avatrade specializes in trading through more than 250 instruments, which include over 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, bonds, individual shares, ETFs, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade's Web Trader, and for all your mobile trading needs, Avatrade Options and Go applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best comprehensive educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, as well as a variety of ebooks that you can browse through if you are looking to expand your trading education with Avatrade. At number 4 on our list is FBS. FBS is a Forex and CFD broker, which is authorized and regulated by the International Financial Services Commission of Belize and the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. FBS offers users the option to trade on Forex, indices, stocks, metals, and energies. Featured platforms are available on the FBS Trader platform, as well as MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are provided on Cent, Micro, Standard, Zero Spread, and ECN accounts, with swap-free options, demo accounts, floating and fixed spreads, low minimum deposits, and more. FBS also provides their very own Forex analysis panels, informative market overview videos, beginner, elementary, intermediate, and experienced Forex guides, a variety of video lessons that delve into educational topics, from opening your account to the use of their platforms, as well as seminars, webinars, and an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional educational resources with FBS. Coming in at number 3, we have IQ Option. IQ Option, a broker developed under the IQ Option Europe company, was founded in 2013, contains a CY/SEC license with permission to provide its financial services within the European Economic Area Zone, with several other licenses from other EU local jurisdictions. IQ Option specializes and offers services in binary options, stocks, shares, currencies, and ETF trading. Featured platform is available on IQ Option's Ultimate Investment Platform, which is supported on iOS, Windows, and Android operating systems. Accounts are available on demo, standard and VIP accounts with lower minimum deposits, over 90 different types of underlying assets, 24/7 customer support services, access to their free mobile application, and more. IQ Option also allows traders to take part in their monthly online trading tournaments, which is an added bonus if you are feeling competitive. IQ Option also provides their very own educational learning center, which delves into a variety of trading tutorial videos, news, analytics, their very own trading blog and research center, and more, if you are looking to expand your education with IQ Option. Coming in at number 2 on our list is Vantage FX. Vantage FX is a transparent and secure broker, regulated with the ASIC and FINMA. With Vantage FX, traders receive constant support through TeamViewer, fast and easy account opening, access to a range of features such as the Chart IQ platform, Zulu Trade for social trading, and more. Vantage FX specializes and provides services in trading through Forex, indices, energies, soft commodities, precious metals, and share CFDs. Available platforms are supported on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Zulu Trade, as well as the Vantage FX mobile application, which is supported on Android, iOS, and Windows operating systems. Their accounts are provided on standard STP, RAW, and Pro ECN accounts, with up to 44 tradable currency pairs, lower minimum deposits, lower spreads, and more. Vantage FX also provides their very own educational panels, which delves into a variety of educational topics, such as an overview of Forex trading, beginner's guides, manuals and video tutorials in MetaTrader functionality, and more for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with Vantage FX. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Djibouti, we have Olymp Trade. Olymp Trade is a well-known online trading platform founded in 2014, which offers traders multiple different assets, including binary options. Safety measures and precautions are put first by this platform, and it is considered a financial organization that keeps the interest of its clients in mind at all times. Specializing in services and trading through Forex, commodities, stocks, indices, ETFs, and OTCs. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and their very own Olymp Trade application, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Olymp Trade offers a demo account and two main account types. Their basic account, which provides you with various strategies, indicators, and educational materials, and a VIP account with more benefits, from personal analytics to strategies and more. Olymp Trade also provides their very own Help Center, which delves into a variety of helpful educational topics such as guides in platform functionality, the basics of trading, beginner tutorials, Forex guides, trading strategies, as well as a daily blog that you can browse through if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with Olymp Trade. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Djibouti on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your trading activities.